Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you being here. Many people in the prepping community own AR-15, and as many people know, ammunition for AR-15s was very scarce, went really expensive, and it's still expensive today. So it makes it difficult to get out and practice and train with your AR-15. But I think I've found a solution that will help you and everybody else. Instead of using 5.56 .223 rounds for training and practice, what about using 22 long rifle? Is that even possible with your standard AR-15 that you already own? Yes, it is. And what you can use is this CMMG 22 long rifle AR conversion kit. My son bought this for me as a gift a couple years ago actually, and I was kind of skeptical of it, never thought much about it, didn't figure it would even work, so I just kind of put it up and never thought no more about it. I recently got it out and I tried it, and I really like it. I was thoroughly impressed. But what you get in the kit is the 22 long rifle conversion bolt. You just simply take your standard AR-15, open up the receiver, pull out your bolt carrier group, drop this bolt carrier group in, pin it back together, and you can shoot 22 long rifle through your AR-15. The kit that I've got came with one magazine that takes 22 long rifle rounds. I think looking on their website now, the kit, you can still get this kit, but you can also pay just a few dollars more and get the kit with 3 magazines. I'm going to be ordering some more of these magazines. I know reading the comments and looking into this further, a lot of people made the statement that, you know, you have to use the expensive 22 rounds, that it won't shoot just standard 22 rounds. And they do recommend that you use copper-plated bullets. But I'll just tell you, I didn't use no expensive CCI mini mags or anything like that. I just used the standard Federal bulk pack. I never had a malfunction. I'll throw some video footage in here of me actually using this thing. The other thing I kind of thought would happen was that I have an EOTech on my AR-15 that's zeroed for 5.56 55 grain. How accurate would it be with the 22 long rifle? You know, it's a different bullet weight. I didn't see any difference while out shooting. Now, like I said, I'll throw some video footage in here. There is some misses. Those misses are on me, lack of practice. All right, everybody. Standard AR-15, chambered 223 with the CMMG 22 conversion kit. Let's see how this thing shoots. All right, everybody, I like it. You can see that's a 22 round magazine. It holds 25 rounds with the CMMG bolt installed. All you do is just break it up or down, pull the standard bolt out, put that one in. They work good. I'm impressed. Good way to train with your AR and not use expensive ammunition. Just use plain old 22 long rifle. The EOTech sight works the same as it does with the 223. Ones I missed, that was on me. Thanks for watching. So that's the other thing. Guys, just because you can shoot well, you need to get out and practice and train with your firearms, and don't lose that muscle memory and that skill level. All right, guys, that's it. The CMMG AR-15 22 conversion kit. I would definitely recommend it. I had no issues with it. I really like it. So maybe something you want to consider. It is fairly expensive nowadays. It's around $200, but it could be $200 well spent just in what you would save on ammunition costs alone. If you found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up, give us a like, let me and YouTube know that you enjoy this type of content. Share it with somebody else that you think might be interested in something like this. Leave me a comment below. Do you own this, or is it something you think you might use? If you've used it, have you had any issues with it? So far, I have not. And please consider subscribing. Remember, prepare today for what may happen tomorrow, and I will see you on the next video.